Installing a new Emblem today. Got a fresh GM part. That's the number. 07 to 14 Tahoe. Give it a little heat. Been sitting out in the sun this morning. So it's about 50 today. Got it on low. These things are usually about $100 easy. Got this one for $65 shipped to my door. Had to bid some people out on eBay. Now I prepped it with alcohol pads before I installed it. Give her a nice firm press. And just to be on the safe side, throw a little bit of tape on there. I'm just gonna let it cure overnight. Might even take this off this evening. This girl is sold. She'll be gone tomorrow.